decision.
Meghalaya Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that the state government will re-establish a grander and a larger bust of Tirot Singh's aim in Bangladesh. A statue of Tirot Singh's aim, unveiled by the Meghalaya government at the Indira Gandhi Cultural Centre in Dhaka, was demolished by a mob amid the ongoing unrest in Bangladesh on Tuesday. Lyngdoh informed that the Chief Minister, Conrad Sangma, will conduct a comprehensive review meeting to address the current unrest in Bangladesh and its potential impact on Meghalaya, including economic and international trade aspects.
It will be a much grander, much bigger bust, and we will do it at the appropriate of time once things normalize in that country. He has the intention of taking a very immersive review of the entire situation, how it impacts the economy, how it impacts international trade. All of these will be discussed at a meeting where the Chief Minister will preside.